So, kamusta po yung process po ng inyong OFW loan under Sapat Credit, ma'am? Any ano po, reaction, ma'am? Go po.
Yeah, it was very smooth, and all of you are very, very helpful. That's why I was very confident that this is legitimate, loan company.
Okay,
it's not a scam.
Thank you.
That's why I really pursued my loan application.
Thank you po.
I'm very proud and I'm very happy that I have met. We have crossed path, because you are all very kind. It seems that we've met already. Very kind. You always make follow-ups, and you don't miss an hour just to say how's the process, how is it now. That's why I will definitely ask my friends to also try.
Yes po.
Yes.
Thank you. Ma'am, question po. So, dito po sa OFW loan natin, may binayaran po ba kayo? May nilabas po ba na pera from application to releasing?
No, not even once. So, this is a legitimate company. Try it.
Thank you. Question to po.
No amount. No single amount.
Thank you po. Question to po, ma'am. Pumunta po ba kayo sa office or online process po lahat?
Yeah, it's all online process. All online. No hassle. They will ask you your favorable time for the interview. So, this is a good try.
Okay po, thank you. And
this is a good try.
And ma'am, reminder lang po, maganda po talaga yung dito po sa atin sa Sapat Credit dahil po 6 or 7 months or 50% paid na po kayo sa loan nyo, pwede na po kayo mag-reloan. So,
wow! Praise the Lord!
Yes, sige. So parang ang mangyayari, iikot lang ulit natin yung binayad nyo. Parang ganun po.
Wow, really?
Yes. Kaya,
again? Can you repeat?
Ano po, 6 to 7, di ba po, 12 months term kayo, ma'am? 12 months, 18. So, more or less, mga 8 or 9 payments or 50% paid, pwede na po kayo mag-reloan.
Okay, that's great to know.
Yes po.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Sure po. And ma'am keep on, refer lang po kayo. I-refer nyo lang po sa akin dahil pwede po kayo mabigyan ng 1% commission po.
Wow, naku,
every client. So, i-work out natin, ma'am, and tutulungan ko po kayo.
Sige, thank you.
Okay. So, ma'am, yun lang po. God bless you to po, Ma'am Nelva. Ingat po kayo dyan. Tapos, wait na lang po sa loan proceed, ma'am, mga maya-maya siguro.
Yes,
pantay na lang.
Okay. I'm very blessed to have met you. Even it's just online,
Thank you po.
This is legitimate. Try it, everyone.
Okay po.
God knows this is really legitimate.
Salamat po.
Okay,
bye-bye, ma'am. God bless you po. Ingat po dyan. Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.